a historic move, the Kenya Senate has voted to impeach Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. This unprecedented decision marks the first time in Kenya's history that a sitting deputy president has been removed from office through impeachment. The impeachment proceedings occurred Thursday evening, despite a last-minute plea from Gachagua's legal representative, Paul Muite. Muite had requested a postponement, citing the deputy president's sudden hospitalization due to severe illness just hours before the scheduled votes. Senate Speaker Amason Kingi, unwavering in his commitment to the process, set a deadline of 5 p.m. local time for Gachagua to appear before the Senate. However, as the 59-year-old deputy president remained absent due to his reported health issues, the lawmakers, equally resolute, proceeded with the impeachment vote. In a decisive outcome, at least 53 senators upheld the first charge against Gachagua. The Senate found him guilty on 5 counts of the 11 charges initially brought against him. These include improper shareholding, undermining the independence of judges, violation of National Cohesion and Integrity Act, crimes under the National Cohesion Act, gross misconduct, specifically related to public attacks on the National Security Intelligence Service. The final tally showed an overwhelming majority in favor of the impeachment, with 281 members of parliament voting for the ouster motion, while 44 opposed it. 1 MP abstained from the vote.
Of the National Security Intelligence Service and its officers. Now, Honorable Senators, pursuant to Article 145(7) and 151(b) and 2 of the Constitution, and Standing Order 78(8) of the Senate has resolved to remove from office by impeachment His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, AGH, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Accordingly, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, AGH, ceases to hold office. I thank you.
The impeachment follows a series of controversies surrounding Gachagua, including a notable incident in June, when he publicly criticized the head of the intelligence agency. Gachagua accused the agency of failing to adequately brief President William Ruto and the government about the scale of mass protests against unpopular tax increases. This action was widely interpreted as an attempt to undermine the president's authority. As Kenya grapples with these significant political developments, the nation now faces the task of addressing the power vacuum left by Gachagua's removal and navigating the constitutional procedures that follow such an unprecedented event. For more updates on this story, stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.